To Awkwardness. Today I'm going to be explaining how I got my interest in coding. You guys are going to immediately say, why Aqua? You haven't uploaded in like 2 weeks. You sucked. No, please don't unsubscribe. I need subscribers. Anyways, how I started coding was, one day I decided it was a smart idea to try start coding. I immediately knew I made the wrong choice. I mean, can this kid code? Like, I can barely code C. Nothing else. Can't do much. But it's an honest job. But anyways, I started learning a programming language called VBS or VBScript. It was really fun. So I'm like, oh my goodness. If VBScript is this fun, imagine how fun, like, Java 1.2222 will be. So I go ahead and go onto W3 Schools and go ahead and start learning HTML. After I finish their course, I go ahead and go to Khan Academy and finish their course. Now I'm a half-baked, half-good web designer. I don't earn money this way, but YouTube is kind of fun. Just a few days ago, after doing a 5 hours of typing HTML, I made my first actually good-looking website. I bet all these guys are using aimbot. I called it Proxy. It's written on my blog, but I didn't buy a domain or anything. So, the reason I'm playing Roblox while doing this is so you guys actually have something to watch. Okay, this guy's definitely using aimbot. But anyways, now I started learning C, and now that I see how complicated that is, like at first I thought C was like, in order to type a sentence, you had to go count dot name dot entity dot bandit dot 1 bar equals 23 dash A, something like that. No, it's just console dot write line. So after learning how to code basics, I started going into more advanced stuff. For example, I recently coded a very hard to make console line. I call it SCPINet. No relation to the SCP thing. I just like to call it that. But it's a pretty dang good thing. I'll have the link in the description for the repository. Now, all you beginner coders out there who are like, oh my goodness, coding is for like these computer pros. No. You can be like really bad at using a computer, but you can still be absolutely amazing at coding. You don't have to be like a boomer to do coding. It seems hard, but it really isn't. Think of it like a real language. If I were speaking English and wanted to say hello, would I say hello? No one would understand that. But if I say hello using my larynx, people understand it. I can't say hello using my nervous system and expect people to know what that means. Sure, sign language is a method, but think of sign language as just a different programming language. If you think about everything like that, then literally coding comes down to just whether you want to do it or not. Anyway, you guys should know, I'm not just this coding master. I'm just an 11-year-old who likes doing coding. No, I won't specify my full age. But to all you beginner coders, here's a bit of encouragement. It took me 2 months to learn my first 3 lines of code and make a real program. 3 months. At first I hated it, like my dad's making me learn Algerian. What am I doing here? I could rather be playing Minecraft right now. I could be listening to Spotify. But slowly I gained interest. You don't have to be like this master with computers. Sure I am. I will be uploading a video where I test out memes soon. Nice, kill streak. But anyways, here's a basic rundown of programming. languages, no. Or in other ways, everything that I can write hello world in. I can write hello world in Python, C++, JavaScript, HTML, and if I'm correct, VBScript. You guys are going to immediately, I know you guys don't watch my videos, but if this is any encouragement, I'm literally just 11. Don't think I'm some 40-year-old and with a mic and a game. Well, I think this was worth the short video. See you guys next Wednesday.